With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is almost a month away, leaks and rumors are not stopping. We are getting some new leaks regarding the S23 Ultra, and this time it's regarding the display of the S23 Ultra. According to a reliable leaker Ahmed on his Twitter account, he shared the information that the upcoming S23 Ultra device will be having a flat display. I mean, this is going to be on cards because the previous leak that has been arrived through dummy units give us a detail that the upcoming S23 Ultra will be having a flat display, and that leak confirms that it was not almost flat. There is some curve. Having a flat display will definitely help to improve the writing experience with the S Pen on your device, and also it will help out to be more durable as compared to the curved display, because if accidentally your device falls, then there are more chances that having a curved display will be break on the side, whereas having a flat display will means that durability will be enhanced even if your device falls. And guys, I'm super excited about the flat display because they bring some new possibility of using the device and there are no accidental touches on the device. And guys, Ice Universe doesn't believe that particular leak. He thinks that the upcoming S23 Ultra will be having a slightly curved display as well. It's not fully 100% flat but slightly curved on the side, so definitely we have to wait and see which one is true. And the same leaker has pointed out the color option for the S23 series. He believes that there is no pink, gold, burgundy or white color options for next year S23 series devices. Instead, they will be coming with a phantom black, green, lavender and a new cream color option. Honestly, I think that all the color options are going to be great, particularly the green color option is going to be looking nicer as compared to the other color option in my opinion. Now moving forward, other details about the S23 Ultra device is that it's going to be packing an E6 OLED panel, which is going to be bringing some major improvement in terms of the display, where we can see a 2200 nits of peak brightness, although Ahmed pointed out that we might actually going to see a 1750 nits of peak brightness similar to the S22 Ultra. But I believe that it's not going to be true, because if Samsung giving away their best display to iPhone 14 Pro, then they definitely have the chance to implement that in their own devices. So we hope that it's going to be the case. Other than that, we are going to be seeing the LTPO 3.0 technology, which is going to be more power efficient. And with that being said, we are also going to be seeing a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front of the device, which is going to be more durable and more scratch resistant than the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The device is also going to be protected by IP68 water and dust resistant. As far as the cameras is concerned, we have a 200 megapixel camera sensor for the S23 Ultra device. Now, internally, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be the fastest processor available right now for the Android devices. No guys, overall the S23 Ultra is packing some incredible hardware and software, and particularly this new leak that is coming for the flat display. I'm super excited about that because it will help you out in order to give you a better quality of experience with your device. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.